Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I'm your English teacher Ma'am Huma and you are watching Show and Tell lecture number 25. Please raise your hand for dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. What you need for today's work? Student book, literacy book, English notebook, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Children, please open student book, page number 30, unit 3. Lesson is what happens on your birthday. Objective of the lesson is familiarize with words for birthdays, review words for animals, food and drinks.
134. Listen and repeat.
Birthday cake. Candle. Mask. Card. Present. Game.
133. Listen and point.
Look, everyone! There's one birthday cake.
Whoa!
There are 6 candles on my cake.
Look, there are 4 masks here.
And I have 1 mask.
Look, Sam, there are 20 cards.
And I have 10 presents.
Oh! And there's 1 game.
Everyone, please first write date 3rd September 2020. First you have to write 3, then write R and D, 3rd September, SEPT. We have to write spelling of September in a short form, comma, 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T, then leave space and write spelling of Thursday. Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Okay, now children, look at this page and tell me one thing, that what do you see? Whose birthday is this? Yes, you are right. This is Sam's birthday. And he is celebrating his 6th birthday with May, Anna, and some other friends. They all are playing and they are wearing animal masks. Can you recognize these animals? Yes, you can. Sam has a tiger mask in his hand, and other kids are wearing rabbit, bear, penguin, and duck mask. Okay, let's talk about other things for the birthday party. What else you see in this picture? Yes, there are some colorful balloons and some presents for Sam. And there are some food items on the table. And there is a cake, sandwich, cookies, a jug, and some glasses full of juice. And on the right side, Anna is playing a game. Let's read the vocabulary words which are given on this page. Look at the first word, birthday. birthday, birthday. Present, present, present. Cake, cake, cake. Food, 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 food. Cards, cards, cards. Candle, candle, candle. Mask, mask, mask. Game, game. game, game. Animals, animals, animals. Drinks, drinks, drinks.
1. 10. Listen and chant.
Have a seat and let's eat. What's for lunch?
Eat some meat and some beans. Eat a peach with some cream. Eat some fish and some peas. Eat some ice cream.
Yes, please. Have a seat and let's eat. What's for lunch?
Okay, children, now please open literacy book, page number 12, and first write date, 3rd September, 2020. Then leave space and write capital H dot capital T and then write Thursday. 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 Now look at the first line. Have a seat. HAVE. Have a seat. Eat. Seat. And let's eat. AND and LETS. Let's eat. 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 Words for lunch. WHAT apostrophe S. Words. FOR for lunch. 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 Question mark. Now look at another line. Eat some meat. Eat. SOME. Some. Eat some meat. Eat meat. AND and SOME. Some. Beans. 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 Eat some meat and some beans, comma. Eat a peach. Eat a peach. Peach. WITH with SOME. Some. Cream. Cream. Full stop. Eat a peach with some cream. Eat some fish. Eat SOME. Some. FISH. Fish. AND and SOME. Some. Peas, comma. Eat some fish and some peas. Eat some. Eat SOME. Some. Eat some ice cream. Full stop? Yes, please. Y-E-S, yes, comma, please. P-E-S, please. It's a writing time for Saturday. Saturday. Children, please open English notebook and write 3rd September 2020. We have to write date first, then write capital H dot capital T, and then write Thursday. 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 Okay, now in column write topic, 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 and then write days of the week, capital D, AYS, days, OF, of, days of, THE, the, week, 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 full stop. On the next line, first write 1 and then write spelling of Saturday. Saturday. SATURDAY, Saturday. Children, you have to write the spelling of Saturday for 5 times and you have to learn it. Now children, it's time to say goodbye. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.